Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing project, Random OTP Generator. In this OTP generator, we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it will generate random OTP. So when you click on this button, generate OTP, it will generate OTP of 6 digit. So again you will click, again it will generate, again you will click, again it will generate the OTP. So to make this, we have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our VS Code. So here first of all I made my HTML and CSS file. So here I have, in basic structure of HTML, I have given the title OTP generator, and then I have linked my CSS file style.css. So here in body tag I have taken a div with class container and a h1 tag random OTP generator, then a div with class OTP. Then in this div I have taken a input, type should be text and ID OTP, and it should be read only. So here we have taken a button, and on click it will generate OTP. This is a function generate OTP, and here we have a written generate OTP, which you can see here. So here we come for a script. So generate OTP, we have taken this function. When you click on this button, the what function will happen. So we have taken a variable digits, so 0 to 9. So then OTP length I have taken 6, and variable OTP initially it is blank. So in for loop I have taken I initialize 0, then I less than OTP dot length means it should be less than 6, and I plus plus means it will increase 1. So OTP equal to OTP plus it will generate digit with mat.floor with mat.random into 10. So it will generate this OTP with these numbers, and in mat.random if I remove this, let's see what will happen. See, when I remove this and then I generate, it will generate 0 0. When I multiply with 10 and I will save it, it will generate the OTP. So we have to multiply with 10 and we have to convert into the digit my.floor. So then we have to get by the ID OTP. To display the OTP, we have taken this ID OTP, which you can see here. To display it, we have taken the value, what value here it will generate, that value we have taken in this input box, which you can see here for getting our output. So to style this, we have taken style.css. So here in the style.css file, we have taken a box as a border box, and I have taken a font family Arial and sans serif, and a background color code this. Then I have taken in container with, so here 300 pixel maximum width I have taken, the margin 0 and auto. So then text align center, and in h1 tag I have taken margin to of 50 pixel, and color of the text should be this color code, and text shadow 0 0 and 1 pixel with this color code. You can style with different color code, and you can add your own style in the code. So here in p tag I have taken margin top 20 pixel, and in OTP margin top 50 pixel, and in the input type text display I have taken should be block and width 100%, margin bottom 20 pixel, and a padding 10 pixel from all the sides, and font size 24 pixel, text align center, and a border of 1 pixel solid, and this color code. So then border radius 5 pixel and a background color code this, and then font weight 900 and a back shadow I have taken. So for the button it should be inline block and a padding 10 pixel from top and bottom and 20 pixel from left and right, and a font size 18 pixel and a font weight bold, and text transform should be uppercase, which you can see here it is in uppercase, generate OTP. So now border radius 5 pixel and background color code this of the button, and the text of the color is white, and cursor should be pointed, and a transition is background color 0.3 second is, and a box shadow this. So when you hover on this, see a hovering and effect is, you can see on the button hovering effect. I'll zoom it and show you. See hovering effect, see. So this color code is given in hovering. So for responsiveness we have taken maximum width at 767 pixel, and at that time h1 font size should be 32 pixel, and p tag font size become 16 pixel, and input font size become 18 pixel, and button font size become 16 pixel. So when I go for responsiveness and check it, so you can see here responsiveness. So like that we have made our random OTP generator. When you click on it, it will generate random OTP. So you can use in your various project. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with a new amazing project, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @Becodewala. So thank you.